In this video, we will demonstrate how to record your lesson using your AVer Visualizer with the Sphere2 software. This can be done by easily going to the recording functionality within my software. Click on Record and your lesson will immediately start recording. On top left hand corner, you'll have indication of the record button flashing blue and red, which means your lesson is recording. And at the bottom right hand side, you will actually see the duration of your current recording. I only have a white piece of printer paper here, and I'm going to use this as my whiteboard today. So the lesson we'll be doing today is just quickly on mathematics, and just as an example, we'll say what is 9 times 12, and this equals. So I'm using a normal pen, using normal printer A4 paper, and I have my calculator just to indicate that you can actually use or display any object underneath the visualizer. So my equation would be 9 times 12, which will give me 108. Once I'm done, I can just go to my record button, click on that, and that will actually then stop my recording.